Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. In this one I'm going to show you how I play Halloween, the theme from the 1978 movie, on guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and for this song we'll need to learn one melody riff. It's going to sound something like this. We're just going to move that riff around in various places on the fretboard of the guitar to complete the song. Here's how we're going to play that riff. We're going to take the first finger and anchor it starting at the 7th fret. We'll play, that's the 9th fret on the high E string, and then the 7th fret on the B string. So we'll play 9 7 7 9 7 7 9 7. Then we'll move to 10 7 9 7. Here we go. We'll move that down by 1 fret to the 6th fret. We'll move it next to fret 5. Then to fret 4. Then we'll move it all the way up to fret 12, and we'll stay there for a little while. Now that's 12, 14, and 15. Next, we'll drop back down to where we started at fret 7. And we'll start the entire process all over again. Now, let's play through the entire thing with the original recording. Well, my friends, that's how I play Halloween, the theme from the 1978 movie, on guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.